I'm in a bit of a rush, about to leave, and I just thought I'd share, because I keep forgetting to share the bags, what I'm going to use tonight. What am I wearing tonight is this Chanel, and let's see which Chanel, because it goes really nicely with my evening attire. And I purchased this from Terminal 5 back in, what was it, February 2017. I think I might just have some of the paperwork. And it's this beautiful Trendy CC. It's not the wallet on chain. Look at that turn. And I've actually bought some Samoga inserts for this. The chain is much longer. You've got the Mona Lisa pocket at the back. And inside, sorry, because I'm in a bit of a rush, you've got the love letter pocket there, zip compartment. You've got two sections, but this is not the double flap. This, I've got the receipt, I'll have a quick look as well. The handle isn't very long, that's fine. It fits really nicely over the shoulder. And you can also take the chain out or pull the chain back in, make it shorter. You can get these clasps from even Amazon as well, where I haven't got it here with me. You can join these two together, and let me just pop that inside there. And then you just have this short handle when you use the clasp. Lambskin, I've always liked lambskin, that's what it looks like. I haven't brought my measuring tape with me to show you. So I bought this from Terminal 5, and that's the card. Yep, that's the code, so that's 2017. And what have we got in here? We've even got the receipt. Why is this a Harrods receipt? Oh, this is another one I got from Harrods. Why is that in here? What did I get from Harrods there for 3,620? Some Chanel accessory with handle. Okay, another bag. Okay, I might have just put it in here as well, so that's that. Where's the receipt for this? Here we are. I think this must be it. Yeah, so in 2017 this cost me 2,750. And Chanel Boutique Terminal 5. Oh, I don't want to show you the name. Yeah, 12th of February 2017. That. And yeah, 2,750. They used to have VAT free at the time. That's the reason why I would have bought it. Otherwise it would have been over 3,000. Now, to compare that to the prices right now, which are extortionate. So the wallet on chain, which is a much smaller bag, doesn't come with a pocket at the back. That wallet on chain is over £3,000 now. So that definitely was a great investment. It's not yellow gold. It's more of a champagne gold. I think I really, really like this. It goes well, and it's not like glaring in the eye either. But all in all, it's a beautiful bag, and I love it. And I love using it in the evenings. I use this a lot when I'm going out for special occasions in the evenings, and it holds quite a lot as well. I haven't got everything here that I can show you, but like I said, it's got two compartments. Just pull that up. It's got two compartments. You can also just leave something in the Mona Lisa pocket there as well. Let me show you exactly what I can get in here. I can get my Louis Vuitton wallet very nicely in there as well. And then I can get my, even there, that's gone in. And I can get some phones, if I can find my phones where I put them, just bear with me one second. iPhone 15 Pro Plus, Pro Max Plus, whatever it's called, and let's try that. So what can I get in there? That's the Samoga inserts. I've got two of those. I matched the inside lining because I love that wine colour and I did want to keep it the same. So that's my Louis Vuitton, quite a large purse I would say. It has all my cards. It's also got all my cards and paperwork, anything else that I need in there. Then I've got my Pro Max and I've got another one, so I've got two. Both of them, I can put some lipstick. There's still room for lipstick and my keys as well. And that fits nicely. No struggle whatsoever. And that's the bag. I can use it like this as a clutch, or I can use it over the shoulder. Lovely investment. Love that. My daughter actually has her eyes on this bag as well. But I've said to her, you'll have to wait a little bit longer. Don't think I want to give it while I'm still alive. I do use this bag, like I said, quite a lot. It's my go-to evening bag. I did bring the tape measure, but as I'm rushing around, I'm going to be late. So hopefully I'll put some screenshots of when I'm out and about. But that's it. I keep them in the boxes. I like to keep my bags in the boxes, in the dust bags, the more expensive ones, let's say. So they all go in here with the original paperwork. I don't know why I've got the paperwork of another one in here, so I've got two in here. So yeah, that was 2,750 back in February 2017. Now valued at what? I don't know. They don't do this style anymore. So I've got others I can show you. This must be, if I want to sell this now, the condition I've kept it as well. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful buttery feel as well. I would say this would sell at what? Resell, at least I would get 4,000, 4,500. I mean, obviously the shop, if I go to a pre-loved store, they want to take some commission as well. But if I wanted to sell this directly, I don't know how much I would sell this for. But I don't really care because I'm not selling it. It's mine. I'll pass it down to my daughters.